Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Skytech Nebula gaming PC desktop. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable gaming PC that delivers excellent performance at an affordable price, the Skytech Nebula is a solid choice. Built with high-quality components and designed for smooth gaming, this PC is perfect for both casual and competitive gamers. At the core of this system is the Intel Core i5-13400F processor, a 10-core, 16-thread CPU that offers clock speeds up to 4.6 GHz. This processor is built to handle demanding tasks, ensuring smooth gaming, fast multitasking, and efficient power usage. Whether you're playing modern AAA games, streaming, or handling productivity tasks, the i5-13400F provides reliable and consistent performance. For graphics, this PC is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, featuring 8GB of GDDR4 RAM. With support for ray tracing and DLSS 3.0 technology, the RTX 4060 delivers stunning visuals, realistic lighting, and improved frame rates. You can expect smooth gameplay at 1080p and 1440p resolutions in popular games like Call of Duty, Cyberpunk 2077, and Fortnite. The system includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, ensuring fast data access and smooth multitasking. This allows you to run multiple applications at once without slowdowns, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and content creation. For storage, the 1TB NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast load times and ample space for all your games, applications, and media files. Compared to traditional hard drives, NVMe SSDs significantly reduce boot times and game loading screens, keeping your system running efficiently. Powering this system is a 600 watts Gold PSU, ensuring stable and efficient energy delivery to all components. A high-quality power supply helps maintain system longevity and prevents power fluctuations that could impact performance. The Skytech Nebula also comes with built-in 11 AC Wi-Fi, providing fast and reliable wireless connectivity for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Whether you're using a wired or wireless internet connection, you'll experience minimal lag and high-speed performance. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you'll have access to the latest features, enhanced security, and gaming optimizations right out of the box. The user-friendly interface and gaming-focused enhancements make Windows 11 the ideal operating system for modern gaming PCs. The sleek black case features RGB lighting, adding a stylish touch to your setup while maintaining proper airflow to keep the system cool during long gaming sessions. The side panel design allows for easy upgrades, so you can customize and expand your PC as needed. If you're looking for a powerful, affordable, and future-ready gaming desktop, the Skytech Nebula is a fantastic option. With a high-performance CPU, RTX 4060 GPU, fast storage, and a reliable power supply, this PC is built for smooth gameplay, streaming, and multitasking. Click the link below for the best price.